Welcome to the Lori Beds assembly video. This is Brendan, one of the owners of LoriBeds.com, and we made this video to go along with the printed instructions that came in your box. Refer to that instruction booklet for more detail on anything we show in this video. The bed consists of a cabinet and a platform, and is made up of the pieces shown here. We'll start by assembling the platform. Lay out your mattress panels. They will connect like this. Insert connector screws into each of the holes along the edges of the panels. Fit the panels into place and tighten the connector inserts. Turn the panel over and insert connector screws into each of the holes shown. Add connector screws to part 2. Slide part 2 into place and attach. Attach parts 3A and B. Add connector screws to part 4. Attach part 4. Attach parts 5 and 6. Flip the completed panel over again and insert connector screws along the bottom edge. Attach part 7. Add the L brackets as shown. Install the mattress strap anchors with the openings facing toward the edges of the bed. Finally, install the locks. Insert the body of the lock up from underneath, followed by the washer, and then tighten the nut. Then, screw in the cam. Now for the cabinet assembly. Lay out parts 8 and 9. Insert connector screws around the edges. Then add the strike plates with the lip facing the slot. Insert the shelf pin in the larger hole in the middle of each piece. Add connector screws to part 10. Stand the pieces on edge and attach part 10. And attach parts 11, and 12, attach the hinge plates to part 13. Slide the hinges onto the hinge plates. Attach the hinges to part 14. Attach part 13 to the cabinet. Make sure the shelf hangs down toward the floor. You must attach the cabinet to the wall in at least 3 places for safety. We've provided toggle bolts for drywall installation, which work as shown. Alternatively, you can get hardware for attaching to studs or whatever other wall type you may have. To add the mattress strap, pass a loop end through the anchor, and then pass the buckle end through the loop end and pull to tighten. Repeat on the other side and adjust the buckles as needed. And that's it. Thank you so much for your purchase from us. And please reach out to us directly if we can help in any way.